Let me tell you something most people will never hear in their lifetime. Getting rich isn't luck. It's not about having rich parents. It's not even about working the hardest. It's a science. Just like gravity, just like electricity. And once you understand the rules, the results become predictable. Now here's a truth that might sting, but it could change your life. Most broke people stay broke not because they aren't smart, but because they follow the wrong rules. Ever noticed how two people can start at the same place, yet one skyrockets while the other struggles for years? That's not chance. That's cause and effect. And today, we're breaking it down. This is not hype, no get-rich-quick fantasy. This is for people who are done with guessing and are ready to learn the real science behind money. If you feel like your wallet's a leaky bucket or your bank account hates you, you're not alone. But you can change it starting today. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know the 5 exact steps that separate the financially successful from everyone else. And no, this isn't about manifesting or thinking positive thoughts. This is cold, hard science. Here's the brutal truth. There are 2 completely different games being played with money, and most people don't even know they're playing the wrong one. The poor person's game. Trade time for money. Work harder to earn more. Save what's left over. Buy things that make you feel rich. The rich person's game. Trade money for more money. Make money work while you sleep. Invest first. Spend what's left. Buy things that make you actually rich. The difference isn't about how much money you start with. It's about which rule book you're following. Research from the Federal Reserve shows that the average American spends 95% of their income and saves 5%. Meanwhile, the average millionaire saves 20% and invests most of it. Same income levels, completely different game rules. The poor mindset asks, how can I afford this? The rich mindset asks, how can this make me money? So, why the game feels completely rigged? Let's be honest, the system does favor people who already have money. But here's what they don't tell you. You can still win if you understand how it actually works. Generational wealth advantage. Some people are born with assets already working for them. While you're learning to crawl, their trust fund is already making money. Financial literacy gap. Rich families teach money skills at the dinner table. Poor families avoid talking about money entirely. By age 18, rich kids know about investing, taxes, and business. Poor kids know about working harder. Capitalism's compound effect. The system literally rewards people who have money to invest. A person with $100,000 can make $7,000 per year doing absolutely nothing with a basic investment. Someone with $0 makes $0. But here's the kicker. 86% of millionaires in America didn't inherit their wealth. Learn to play by the rich person's rules, even when they started broke. The game isn't fair, but it is learnable. And once you know the rules, you can win. How the rich actually get richer. Let me break down the 4 main cheat codes wealthy people use that schools never teach. Number 1, make money while you sleep. Rich people don't just save money, they invest it. While poor people have money sitting in savings accounts losing value to inflation, rich people put their money to work in stocks, real estate, and businesses that grow over time. A $10,000 investment in the S&P 500 in 2000 would be worth over $40,000 today without you doing anything. That's the power of letting money make more money. Number 2, own assets, not liabilities. Poor people buy things that lose value. Fancy cars, expensive clothes, the latest gadgets. Rich people buy things that gain value. Stocks, real estate, businesses, skills. Every dollar you spend on something that depreciates is a dollar that can't appreciate for you. Number 3, never rely on one income stream. The average millionaire has 7 different income sources. Poor people put all their eggs in one job basket. Rich people build multiple streams. Investments, businesses, royalties, consulting, real estate. If one stream dries up, they have 6 others flowing. Number 4, buy time, not things. Rich people use money to buy back their time so they can make more money. They hire assistants, use delivery services, pay for faster transportation. Poor people waste time to save money, then wonder why they never get ahead. Time is the only resource you can't get more of. Rich people understand this. Why most people stay broke. Here are the 5 traps that keep 80% of people broke their entire lives. And I guarantee you're stuck in at least 2 right now. First is financial invisibility. Most people have 0 clue where their money goes. They'll say they can't afford to invest $50 a month, then spend $200 on DoorDash without thinking, leaking hundreds through $15 coffees, random Amazon purchases, and forgotten subscriptions because they don't track anything. It's like playing Call of Duty without seeing your health bar. You can't win when you're playing blind. Then there's inflation ignorance, where that safe money in savings is actually shrinking 2 to 3% every year, while earning maybe 0.5%. So your $10,000 loses $250 in buying power annually, meaning you're guaranteeing you get poorer by not investing. Third is liability addiction. That $500 BMW payment, $200 designer shoes, $1,200 iPhone upgrade are all designed to make you feel rich while keeping you broke. Because every payment on depreciating stuff is money that can't work for you. While rich people buy assets that go up, and poor people buy liabilities that look impressive. Fourth is single income dependency, where most people bet everything on one job and pray nothing happens. But when layoffs or illness hit, everything stops. While smart people build multiple income streams, so if one dries up, they have others flowing. Finally, there's time poverty. Spending hours to save $10 on groceries, then claiming no time to learn investing, doing yard work to save $100 instead of building a side business that could make $1,000 because you're trading your most valuable resource for pennies, instead of using money to buy back time like rich people do with assistance and automation so they can focus on making more money, while you're stuck trading dollars for hours instead of building systems that work while you sleep. Here's the secret that can take you from broke to wealthy faster than anything else: skill stacking. One skill makes you replaceable. 2 complementary skills make you valuable. 3 stacked skills make you irreplaceable. Examples of million-dollar skill stacks: coding plus marketing equals tech entrepreneur. Writing plus psychology equals high-paid copywriter. Video editing plus business equals YouTube empire builder. Sales plus finance equals investment advisor. Design plus technology equals app developer. The math is simple. If you're the only person who can do a specific combination of things, you can charge whatever you want. Most people try to compete by being better at one thing. Smart people compete by being the only person who can do 3 things together. 5 steps to escape the broke cycle today. Step 1. Track every single dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, I want you to track every penny that comes in and goes out. Use an app like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal isn't to judge your spending. It's to become aware of where your money actually goes. Most people are shocked to discover they're spending over $200 per month on forgotten subscriptions, over $300 on food delivery, and over $150 on impulse purchases. Now, download a tracking app and log every transaction for 1 week. Just awareness alone will start changing your behavior. Step 2. Start investing, even if it's just $10. The biggest mistake broke people make is thinking they need a lot of money to start investing. You don't. Most brokerages now allow you to invest with no minimum balance. You can buy fractional shares of companies for as little as $1. Here's what to do today. Open an account with a low-cost brokerage like Fidelity, Schwab, or Vanguard. Start with index funds. Set up automatic investing of whatever you can afford, even $25 per month. The amount doesn't matter. Building the habit matters. Step 3. Apply the "Does it make money?" filter. Before every purchase over $50, ask yourself, will this make me money or cost me money? If it doesn't make you money, think twice. If it actively costs you money, like car payments, designer clothes, expensive gadgets, think 3 times. This doesn't mean never buy anything fun. It means being intentional about the difference between investments and expenses. But here's the brutal truth. Knowing this changes nothing if you don't act on it. If this video opened your eyes to how the money game really works, smash that like button. Drop a comment with the 1 cheat code you're going to start using this week. Subscribe if you want more videos that expose how the system really works and give you the exact tools to win at it.